This is Martha Anguiano singing I Feel the Rain. Say hi, Martha.
Hi.
I mean, Mom.
God bless you.
Here it is, and we're going to start. And
I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. The light of rain, the foam of rain together. I'm not talking about the weather. Holy Ghost rain is falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. The latter rain, the former rain together. I'm not talking about the weather. Holy Ghost rain is falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. The latter rain, the former rain together. I'm not talking about the weather. The Holy Ghost rain is falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. The latter rain, the former rain together. I'm not talking about the weather. The Holy Ghost rain is falling down on me. Oh, I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain, I feel the rain falling down on me. The latter rain, the former rain together. I'm not talking about the weather. The Holy Ghost rain is falling down on me. Some sweet day break, we're gonna be with Jesus. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. Someday soon, we're gonna lay our burdens down. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. He's gonna take me by the hand, by and by, and lead me to that promised land. Oh, by and by. No more tears and no more sorrow in the land of the immortal. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. Some sweet day break, we're gonna be with Jesus. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. Someday soon, we're gonna lay our burden down. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. He's gonna take me by the hand, by and by, and lead me to that promised land. Oh, by and by. No more tears and no more sorrows in the land of the immortal. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. Oh, no more tears and no more sorrow in the land of the immortal. By and by, oh Lord, by and by. Cualquier momento veré a Cristo en plena gloria. Al regresar, preparaciones ya son cumplidas. Cualquier momento regresará. Hay un pesar en lo profundo de mi alma por ver a Cristo, mi precioso Salvador, y a dejar los sufrimientos de esta vida. Para siempre estaré con el Señor. Cualquier momento veré a Cristo en plena gloria. time.